Hi Crafty Angels, welcome back to the channel. I am here today to show y'all some little thank you cards that I made last night on my live with Miss Stephanie, who is Thread and Glue here on YouTube. So these are all the thank you cards that I made. We have this one. I made a certain amount, but I'm still making more. I still need to make more. I made a certain amount of each one for last night, for now, really. And I used two different company printables. I used Decorate Your Life and Cara Brandon Creations. This is Cara Brandon. This is Decorate Your Life. Got this one. See the three pearls here? This I made on my computer. Got that one. They're basically almost all the same, as you can see. This printable here is all Decorate Your Life. This is Decorate Your Life. This is Cara Brandon Creation. All the ones here is all Cara. This is all of hers here. I will tell y'all when I get to that one. And these are all from Decorate Your Life. Right here. See, these are all the ones that I made. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Please be blessed, be kind, be caring, be crafty, be positive. And I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. And bye-bye for now.